Good morning children. Welcome back to my class. Children, in our last class, we have studied about the behavior of different types of animals. Okay. Today we are going to concentrate on the concept, the collecting of honey and the uses of honey. Honey is collected by honeybee. Honeybee is a flying insect. It belongs to the kingdom Animalia. Animalia means animal kingdom. It is a invertebrates, means it do not have backbone. It comes under the phylum Arthropoda. Arthro means many, poda means legs, means many legged animal. It has got 3 pairs of legs. The body is divided into head, thorax and the abdomen. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. So, in this picture, you can see the different types of honeybees collecting honey or nectar or pollen from the flower. Morning, it will visit flower to flower to collect nectar or honey. After that, it carries the nectar to its living place or to its house. The living place or habitat of a honeybee is called as beehive. Here you can see different types of beehives. After collecting honey, honeybee carries the honey to its beehive. Is it the home of 1 or 2 honeybees children? No, it is not. It has a large family. It is the house of thousands of honeybees. Thousands of honeybees live together in this beehive. In this beehive, there is a queen bee and the rest all are the worker bees. Queen bee and the worker bee. Now, let us see the work of queen bee and the worker bee. The work of worker bees is to collect the nectar or honey from the flower, that is food, collection of food, and they build a beehive and it looking after the queen bee. These are the work of worker bee. Now let us see the work of a queen bee. The work of queen bee is laying the eggs. Its work is only laying the eggs. It lays nearly 2000 eggs per day. The lifespan of this queen bee is 5 years. It lays 2000 eggs per day. Okay. Here you can see bottle containing honey and honeybees live in a beehive, home or living place of honeybee. Now, you can see the different types of beehives in this picture. Now, let us see how the beehive is constructed. Honeybees produce a sticky material called as wax. What is wax? Wax is the sticky material produced by honeybee. By using that wax, it will build the beehive. So, here you can see different types of beehives. Honeybees build beehive on branches, the hollows of trees, on the terrace of big buildings. In this picture, you can see a beehive in a stagnant car. Car is standing there. There also you can see the beehive. So, these are the different types of beehives. And honeybee also differ from one to another. There are different types of honeybees. They are differ from one to another. In this picture, you can see 3 types of honeybees. Not only 3 types, there are only 3 types of honeybees are there. Each one is differ from one to another. Some are small in size, some are colorful, some are big in size. Each one is differ from one to another. Okay. Next, we shall look at the topic rearing of honeybees at home. See, you know that human beings rear different types of animals in the home. They are domesticate the animals at home. Like that only farmers rearing the honeybees by keeping the wooden boxes, different types of wooden boxes in their farmhouse, in the estate or in their garden. So, to collect the honey. Why do they keep all these honey boxes in their garden? They keep these honey bee boxes in a garden to collect honey. Why do they collect honey? Because honey has got medicinal as well as nutritional value. Honey has got medicinal and nutritional value. So, in this picture you can see honeybee is sucking nectar or honey from the flower. That honey is used to prepare, see it is collected in a bottle. Then you can see the beehive and the wax which is produced by the honeybee is used to produce different types of things, like wax is used to produce candles to get light, and it is used to produce beehive or to construct beehive. It is used in the preparation of many things. For example, carpenters use these wax to plug the holes in furnitures. These are the different types of uses of wax. Now, we shall move on to the next one, uses of honey. I told already, honey has a nutritional as well as medicinal value. It is used to cure different types of diseases. Here you can see it is used in Ayurvedic as well as Unani system of medicine. Then it is helpful in building up hemoglobin in the blood. What do you mean by hemoglobin? Yes, it is a red color pigment present in our blood. It gives color to the blood and it carries oxygen. It is a oxygen carrier. Then honey prevents cough, cold and fever. And honey cures ulcers on our tongue. Ulcers means boils on tongue, and alimentary canal. Alimentary canal means food pipe or esophagus. And it is also used to prepare bread, cakes and biscuits. You might have tasted the biscuit made out of honey, honey biscuits, honey cakes you might have tasted. So, these are the different uses of honey. So far we have studied about the uses of honey. Now, children, can you test the purity of honey? Yes, we can test the purity of honey by doing small experiments. Take a newspaper and put 2 to 3 drops of honey on newspaper. If the honey spreads on the newspaper, it shows that it is not pure, it is adulterated. If it do not spread, it shows that it is a pure honey. Now, adulteration means the process of adding cheap quality things to the food products to increase their quantity to get more money. Spoiling the quality by adding the unwanted substances. Here, sugar syrup and jaggery syrup is used to adulterate honey. And one more method is there to test the purity of honey. Take some water in a cup. Add 2 to 3 drops of honey into that water. If the honey settles at the bottom without dissolving in water, it shows that it is pure. Or else before settling at the bottom, if the honey dissolved in water, it shows that it is impure. Like that we can check the purity of honey also. Okay. Children, so far we have studied about honeybee, honey and its uses. Okay. We shall meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye.